Hello, family. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing great and you all are making some passive income for yourselves. So, today in this video, I will be giving you an update about the Milkfarm Miner, the latest smart contract platform that I shared with you guys that gave around 15% yields on your daily rewards, and plus it has a 1% fee, which was totally insane. And today in this video I'm going to add something special. I'm gonna add a flavor into it and you guys are gonna love it, and that's for sure. And if you guys don't know what Milkfarm Miner is, I have a complete detailed video about it. I have a detailed step-by-step process. It will be shown up in the cards on the top right corner, plus I'll place the link of that video in the description, so make sure to go there and watch that as well. So for the past few days, I have been telling you about the smart contract platforms and how good they are and how they have been paying to me for the past 2 to 3 weeks now. And I have shared with you that none of them has gone for a rug pull and everyone is paying out smoothly and the returns are insane. So in today's video, I'll be telling you about Milkfarm Miner and how it had something special for us. So what's that something special? If you remember in yesterday's video, I told you that it gave around 15%. Now how these smart contract platforms basically work is that they work on trust volume level of the users that are like into that platform. The more trust level that the users have, the better is going to be the daily rewards. For example, let's say today this milk miner, its trust volume is 15% plus 15%, so it's going to give you uh, 14% 15% rewards. But as soon as this trust level volume in increases up to 30% 40%, the daily rewards are also going to increase, and that's really insane. And the projects that I have been sharing with you for the past 2 weeks now, they all have been continuously increasing in their TVLs, and none of them has even gone down a bit. Let me take you to the smart contract platform of the Milk Miner itself and let me show you something over there. Alright, so this is the Milk Miner or milkbse.com, and here if I take you to the nutrition facts or the facts about this platform, the daily return has jumped up to 20%. And if you remember last time I shared with you, it was 15%. And the daily rewards or the APR, the annual percentage yield, it has increased from 5400 to 7300, keeping the developer fee the same. It did not increase from 1%, which is totally like unbelievable what it has been giving. So look at this platform, look at what you guys are missing. This is great, this platform is great. If you don't know how to join, if you don't know like where to begin, I have a detailed step-by-step guide for you. I have done all the hard work. Let me show you something. So here you are at my web page where you can see a complete detailed step-by-step guide, starting from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, and that's it. Enjoy 15%, which has increased to 20% today. So I have done this hard work for you so that you don't have to do anything by your own. Just follow these steps and join this platform. You are definitely not gonna regret it. After 5 days you're gonna get like 100% on your investment, 20% each day, which is totally insane. I have a few other smart contract platforms as well. Make sure to watch my smart contracts playlist, you're gonna like that as well. So this was an update about the Milkfarm Miner that I want to give you guys. I hope you find this video interesting. I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you really did, please leave it a thumbs up, plus subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of these updates that I share on this channel. Plus you can join my community where I share regular updates, where I share about regular hype projects, and where I share my experiences based upon what I have seen in the market. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.